Hello, thanks for checking in with Touring Midwest. Today we're going to talk about the RAM-B-309-2. This is a RAM base mount that mounts to your brake or clutch housing. It comes with two 1-inch balls, one on top, one right in the front here, like so. This kit comes with everything you see here. Screw for mounting the ball, spacers, lock nuts, 4 screws with 2 different thread sizes. Alright, so now basically what we're doing is the same thing I've got over here, except for this is just a single mount, and this other one will be a double mount with a 1-inch ball here and one on top there. We're going to mount it on this side. It's going to replace this mount here that I'm using for the level cup. So we'll remove this for now and set it up. Now you'll notice the screws that come with the RAM mount are quite a bit longer than the original screws. But what's important right now is to compare the threads. We want to go with the bigger thread. So that's the new one. This middle ball here goes in. And this washer. The screw that they sent me was the wrong thread for the inside of this. So I had to find a screw, and that was too long, so I had to cut it down a little bit. But basically the assembly for this is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting it together, and I'll get back to you in a second. Alright, so I got that put together and tightened down. Alright, so we've been working on installing this mount, and I'm just tightening it down here. Good and solid. Perfect. So there we go. Now this can be clipped on here. Actually, we'll put that there. We can tighten down this cup holder, just as an example. There we go. Now we've got another mount here yet. That is it. The RAM-B-309-2. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Check out www.touringmidwest.com. I'll have links to all our social media sites there. And we'll hope to see you next time. Thanks.